Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki jan jongpi kin kuit bha, benar kam daka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, arn riwe khandai pra.
Ka National People Youth Front but ka National People's Party Women's Wing jongga North Shillong constituency harangkat ka jingitre lang but ka Life Focus Society haga khatsantarik unaitung arajar arpulai kila Pynkup Burom yagi Samla Pule giba wan shakmat haga examine SSLC but HSSLC haga nega joka sngi lapun longru yaga leader seminar halor kapang Be the Agent of Change. Hagabala ya Shimanta daga Ministry Directors ka Lynette Johnson na Communication and Training Life Focus Society u President jaga NPP North Shillong constituency uba ransom sutunga bat kiwe ka Npyf bat NPP kalapun Pynkup Burom ru ya ki saungut ki Samla ki bakentup ya u Tanu Shri Acharji ubalapoi haga kerdan kabalai Bat ka Samla Isabella Maulong kapala poi haga kerdan kapashpau haga examine SSLC u Samla Rishabh Purkayastha u balayo yaga kerdan banengkong haga examine HSSLC Commerce Stream bat u Samuel Paul u balayo rung haga kerdan kapapra haga examine HSSLC Science Stream.
And today I am also very happy. You know, in my constituency, in our constituency, 17 North Shillong, very happy. Why? Because today we have few friends who have made our constituency very proud, and that's why, you know, today we have kept one part of the program, you know, to present the academic excellence award, especially for SSLC candidate and also for HSSLC candidate. And today we are privileged to have in our midst three of them, though one of them now he is in Pune. He will not be able to attend. We have Tanushri. Please stand up wherever you are. Shall we give her a big hand of applause? Thank you so much, Tanushri. We'll call you later here on stage. You will be going to class 11. I know you will do it better. Okay? Now Rishabh, you are in class 12. Okay? You will join, you know, become. You will make us more proud. Alright? I remember, you know, when Rishabh passed his class 10. I visited his home one evening. I talked to him. He scored first division, no Rishabh, in matric. So I challenged him. I said, Rishabh, you are able to do better. And you know, when the result came, he got first and first. It's amazing. It's amazing. And we are the agent of change. We are the agent of change. And you know, the 17 North Shillong constituency, it's called to be the brain of the state of Meghalaya, and I believe, you know, next 5 years from now we will you know, produce more people who will bring laurel to this constituency, 17 North Shillong.
The examination Commerce Street Command Course 2023 HSSLC Science Street MBoost 2023.